Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a website on Glossgenius. First, go to your web browser and search Glossgenius. Next, click the first link to visit the official website. Once on the site, select the Get a Demo button. To get a free demo, choose the answer about how big is your team. Then, click the Get a Demo button under this option. Here, it'll give you a demo of the producer to make a website. In the demo, it'll show you how to reach the Glossgenius app. Now, you'll reach the setting shown in the top right corner. Under My Business, you can fine-tune your business details such as customizing your website. Select Choose Themes to get started with your design choices. Next, it'll give you different themes, places, accents, and font to find style that match your brand. Then, you can also select your color palette to adjust the undertones that best fit your brand's aesthetic. In Accent, you'll see the domination color visible on your site. Later, you'll find fonts and select any fonts of your choice. In the last step, hit the Publish button and select a professional. Under each service, you can see the service descriptions, starting price, and service length. After that, select any service and you'll have your selected service. Now, book yourself by selecting a day and time. Next, add your information and hit the Next button. In this way, you'll be able to make a website on Glossgenius. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.